Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Pix-Link WR09Q Wi-Fi Repeater. If your router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Pix-Link WR09Q Wi-Fi Repeater setup is one of the best solution. The Pix-Link WR09Q Wi-Fi Repeater is a compact device that helps extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or dead zones in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, insert the Pix-Link WR09Q into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn on and become stable, usually within 30 to 60 seconds. On your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named something like Pix-Link_XXXX or Wireless N. Tap to connect to this open network. No password needed at this stage. Once connected, open a browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc. In the address bar, type http://192.168.7.1 or http://ap.setup. Press enter to load the login page. If the page doesn't load, try using a different browser or check if you're still connected to the repeater's Wi-Fi. On the login screen, enter username, admin or password, admin, click login or OK. After login, you'll see multiple operation modes, like repeater mode, extender, router mode, and AP mode. Choose repeater mode to extend your current Wi-Fi. The repeater will now scan nearby Wi-Fi networks. After a few seconds, a list will appear with all available signals. Click on your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. You can choose to keep the same SSID as your router for seamless roaming, or set a new SSID, like HomeWiFi_XT. Click Apply, Save, or Connect. The repeater will reboot, takes about 30 to 60 seconds. After rebooting, disconnect from the old network. Look for the new extended network, e.g., HomeWiFi_XT, and connect to it using your main Wi-Fi password. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.